Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Durango versus the Ram TRX. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, helping you understand which vehicle best suits your needs. The Durango offers a blend of family utility and performance, while the TRX is engineered for extreme off-road adventures. Let's dive into what makes each of these powerful vehicles unique and how they stand apart in the automotive landscape. When it comes to power, both vehicles deliver impressive numbers. The Durango, especially in its SRT Hellcat trim, can reach up to 710 horsepower, offering thrilling acceleration for an SUV. The TRX, however, is built around its supercharged 2-liter Hemi V8, producing 702 horsepower. This allows the TRX to achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.5 seconds, showcasing its raw, unbridled performance. Beyond raw power, their capabilities diverge significantly. The Durango shines as a practical family vehicle, comfortably seating up to 7 passengers and offering substantial cargo volume for everyday needs or road trips. It also boasts a robust towing capacity, reaching up to 700 pounds. In contrast, the TRX is a master of the wilderness, featuring specialized off-road suspension and impressive ground clearance, designed for conquering challenging terrains. The driving experience is another key differentiator. The Durango provides a more refined and comfortable ride, making it an excellent choice for daily commutes and long journeys. The TRX, on the other hand, offers an aggressive and exhilarating experience, especially when venturing off-road, where its specialized engineering truly shines. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.